Hi everybody, Dr. Jerome Ruke here. The chiropractic adjustment is a unique cornerstone that separates us from all other healthcare professions. And all of us strive to be the best adjuster that we can. However, getting a table that specifically fits you and all your unique needs can absolutely take your great adjusting skills and provide many, many unique applications that you can't do without a table that has some perks specific for what you may want. My favorite table is the ErgoStyle FX. Now this is the official table of Brain Body Fit Clinical Performance Institute, and the reason we name it that is because there's so many functions that this does that absolutely helps me become a better adjuster. I remember the first time when I saw this table at a trade show, and the immediate thing that blew me away is I was not expecting anything different is the drops. So this is from Pivotal Health Solutions, and they have the patented Accelerator 3 drops that we have a separate video just to show you the uniqueness of these as we peel the skin off this thing. But you will find out these drops are incredibly precise and just so smooth. They are a big difference, and that's why there's a patent on these. Now, we're going to go over some of the features that this specific ErgoStyle FX has, and I also want you to know there's a tremendous amount of options that you have. There's way too many options for us to go over in this video. We would be here a very long time. But when you call our office to order your table or get additional information for this, we'll be happy to explain all the different features that you can add on to this to where you buy exactly what you want and you don't put on any features that you don't think you're going to use. So one of the things, this specific ErgoStyle FX, we do have manual traction put on this. Now everybody's familiar with what manual traction provides the benefits for already. Very simply, you just activate that lever, and so you get that pumping mechanism. This lever moves really easy. An additional feature that I like a lot is the part of how this swivels from side to side. Now, so whether you're doing manual traction and you're pumping the person's low back on this, obviously you can get it to move in many different fulcrums, and that's a huge advantage for us, the doctor, and the patient. But outside of doing this with regular manual traction, I like using this very specifically to adjust patients with drops as well, and especially with really big people. So when I get the bigger patients on here, and we'll put them in side posture and we'll align them and just get that magic feel that a chiropractor has, and we can put this table in all sorts of different positions in order for me to put the person, open that disc space in a very specific position and still hit the drop and get some really, really unique lumbar adjustments. So obviously everything you're already familiar with as far as doing traditional Thompson drop tables, even manual tractions, but do understand there's some real ninja adjusting you can do on the low back by using this specific type of table with how I demonstrated on you. Now we have the one drop piece here, the thoracic drop piece. Not all tables come with that. I do think it's a great, great add-on. You can get the breakaway piece for pregnancy here. The unique thing with the thoracic drop piece is you can cock it on the back side and the front side. And this does, I use this part a lot for different spinal functions. And again, one of the things that we're demonstrating in future videos is actually showing a patient where we're adjusting scapulas on here. So all the spinal things that you can think of, but to do scapular adjustments, which are really important, having the piece that can be cocked and adjust on both sides is a huge, huge advantage. When we get to the cervical piece, like so many others, you can have that hinge and move. This has a drop here that the entire piece comes up just like you saw there. It has a tension knob that again gets it so specific. It's so easy to set all of these tension knobs here, and so just at your fingertips easily there. And then it also has just a drop function where just this part of it cocks. So just that little uniqueness really does add up a lot for some really great face up, face down, lots and lots of different moves that you can do. Now on this particular table, I do have the manual drops. We do have the toe pieces on the front and the back side, so we don't have to walk from one to the other with it. You can get this completely motorized, so you can add the compressors to it. You can put the foot drops to cock your table up there. So lots of great options, but this is definitely a table that can take your current adjusting skills and raise you up to ninja level adjusting skills with all the little tweaks and specifics that you can do, and we're going to show you on future videos.